Welcome to Daily English Sentences. Here are today's sentences. Listen carefully and practice daily to improve your English fluency.
In Dialogue, Ali Sara. Topic: Eating breakfast. Sara: Good morning, Ali. Have you had breakfast, Ali? Not yet. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Sara: Oh, I already had mine, Ali. What did you have, Sara? I had bread, eggs, and a cup of tea. Ali: Sounds nice. I'm having cereal and milk today. Sara: Do you eat breakfast every day? Ali: Yes, it gives me energy for the day. Sara: True. Breakfast is the most important meal. Ali: I agree. I never skip breakfast.
Practice these short sentences every day, step by step. Your English speaking will become more natural and confident. See you in the next session. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.